Say hello.
Hello.
We're going to play. What are these?
Trucks.
Trucks. So we will play trucks. Get started.
Okay, let's get started. What number is this?
What number is that?
Number is
What's that?
number 8. Put it there.
Very good. What are these? What are these, Kalel? Letters?
Yeah, I want to do
That's a lot.
E. Oh, no. We got another E.
You look for the E. There you go. So what are these? This is a dump truck. Very nice. And this one, it's an excavator. You gonna scoop the letters? Can you scoop the letters, please?
Yeah.
It's going around like this. It can turn 360. That's very nice. It's very cool.
Look, the L fall down.
What's that? And then we have this one. What is this?
A
Bulldozer. That's nice.
Look.
You like that? Oh, I'm gonna scoop the letters. Scoop it! Scoop the letters! Oh no, I cannot scoop it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the letters in there. And I'm gonna dump it. Oh no!
Oh, robot again.
What you doing now? Come here. What are these?
Blue. The letters.
So you put the letters inside the dump truck. And then there's an excavator. You go there. Can we spell something?
Look.
What's in there?
This
Kalel, I will.
spell.
You wanna spell?
No. I want to scoop it up.
Or you scoop it up? Nah. Can you do it? Good job, Kalel. Toot, toot, toot. Ah! It's okay. Yay!
Uh-oh.
Good job.
I like the apple.
You stay in your bed. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later. See you next time.
See you next time.